What's going on mga quiz? What's going on YouTube? TPOB just sent me this TPOB X shaver. This is the new product of TPOB. This is what he called the TPOB X. So again, big shout out to TPOB for sending me this. Thank you very much. So again, you have this 5 hours runtime, all metal body, forged gold titanium blade, and has a 9,200 RPM turbo motor. All metal body with an ergonomic and balanced design, offering low noise level and longest runtime ever. Okay. Yes! It has a 2,200 milliamp hour battery that gives a 5-hour runtime. What? Crazy, bro. So again, you can visit thepieceofbarber.com and you can use my discount code SAMPITS and at least save 15% discount. So let's check what's inside. So on this packaging, you will get a user's manual, the missing shaver. Okay. I was actually charging my shaver. Okay. Of course, USB cable, Type A and Type C. Okay. And of course, small brush for cleaning your foil shaver. So that's all. There is no adapter included, but this is a Type C single foil shaver. So here I am using USB magnetic cable Type C. So this is the adapter and this is the magnetic USB cable. So you just need to insert this adapter here. This is magnetic. Then then you are charging. So the red, you have one single LED indicator here. It has a one LED charging indicator. It is red, so it blinks while charging. And so according to the user's manual, the charging time of this TPOB X shaver is 3 hours, but you will get a 5-hour runtime or 300 minutes. So this one feels like double foil shaver because of the size, you know. Look at this. Compare side by side the size of this, the weight of this. See that? But bro, this is only a single foil shaver. This is kind of heavy because of the metal body. So I have the mini skull shaver, which is also a single foil shaver, and look at the size of this side by side. And this is the foil shaver. It has a hypoallergenic golden with titanium cutter blade. So let's make a sound check. So this is a 9,200 RPM shaver. There's a button here to release the foil shaver itself. Just need to press the release button, then you can remove the foil of this shaver. So this is the cutter blade of this shaver. So this is a single foil shaver with a full length or full size of the double foil shaver. So I'm going to charge this first because the charging time of this, like I said, is 3 hours. But don't get me wrong, because the runtime of this is 5 hours. This is the first shaver that runs 5 hours. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to try this. Then I'm going to share my thoughts about this shaver. So again, if you want to buy this, just visit thepieceofbarber.com. And upon checking out, you can use my discount code SAMPITS so you can save at least 15% discount. I'm not sure if this is already available on Amazon.com or Amazon US. So I'm going to write the Amazon link on the description below. So for the Amazon link, so you can at least save at least 5% on Amazon. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you, TPOB. So TPOB X signing out.
Oh,